So this is our trade analysis for this week. This is Euro USD, and we are thinking of a sell around the zone. I'm thinking of a sell around the zone. Can see. So anything from this zone has invalidated the sell from this 1.16270. So that sell trade is invalid. You see, you can see anything from here to this red line is invalid. So this trade is still valid. You can see. So we are expecting to go on a short from this zone I marked. By the way, if you are yet to join our Telegram channel, do way to join it, because that's where I keep all this trade. We post market analysis. You can see this is our Telegram channel. We post market analysis and we post trades there. So if you are yet to join, do well to join. You can see we posted this VIX 100. You see, we are anticipating that there will be a sell from this zone, and this is our target 1 and our target 2. You see it. So you can make a screenshot of this and take the trade. So we also posted this one. Okay, we just discussed about this one. I posted it there on the channel. You can see this is the Euro USD I just showed you, and this is our sell zone. So do well to join our Telegram channel, because I don't do videos frequently on YouTube. So but I post this on our Telegram channel on daily basis. We post signals there free of charge. So this is volatility 25 index, and we are anticipating that there's going to be a buy around the zone, and here is the validation area. So you can screenshot this one also and take the trade. Do well to apply proper risk management. Okay, so this is USDJPY. We're anticipating that we are to sell around this zone. It's already on our zone around 159.358. Currently it's already on our zone, so we're anticipating that we should do a sell from this zone, and the green line you can see is our target 155.877. Our second target is 153.204. So you can write this down also and take the trade. Our invalidation area is, let me go back to where I dropped. Let me go back here and show you our invalidation area for USDJPY. 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 Look. Sorry. I did the analysis on daily time frame. So it's a swing trade. It's gonna take time for all the targets to reach. So you have to be patient. If you are not a swing trader, then you cannot take this trade. So here is our invalidation points, this red line. So anything above these points is it has invalidated the trade. So we are anticipating a sell. Currently is on our sell zone. So anticipating a sell on this particular zone. And this is our targets. Target 1 is 155.877, and target 2 is 153.204. Okay, so do well to take screenshots on it, and let's see how the market will go. I also sent something on the Telegram also. Let me see. BTC, you see I sent a BTC trade and it has hit all our targets. Our first target was 67.600 and our target 2, you can see, is 68.742 and it's hit all our targets. I think we took this trade from on 3 days ago, right? Probably 3 days ago, 4 days ago, was on Thursday last week. And you can see today is Monday. So, and it hits all our targets. So this is another trade again. I dropped it. This trade is still valid. This is DOGE USDT, that is DOGE USDT. And we are anticipating that we're going to do a sell from this zone. Right? So we're going to do a sell from this zone. So if you are trading crypto, you can take this trade. You can take a screenshot. And wait, so this is another trade again for volatility 10. We're anticipating for a sell zone around this place. We're anticipating for a sell zone here, and here's our invalidation point 5247.37. So I think that's all. Okay, I dropped this trade for then usual USDT also, which we're able to hit 2 targets. We're able to hit 2 targets, first target and second target. The green lines are our targets. So you can see. So do well to join our Telegram channel if you're yet to join. I think there's another trade I dropped also. Okay, this is NZDUSD. And we're anticipating that it's going to be a sell around this zone. Here's our validation area. Let me open this on the main chart. Maybe you see it very well. NZUSD. Let me check it. NZDUSD. Okay, good. So you can see here is the trade. We're anticipating that there's going to be a drop around the zone. We're anticipating for a sell around the zone, and here's our invalidation area. Anything that goes to this area has invalidated our trade. If the market breaks and go to this area, then the trade is no longer valid, right? So you can take a screenshot so you can get the numbers easily. So here is where we're anticipating for a sell zone. Okay, I think these are all the trades I dropped. Let me check the Telegram channel again if I drop any other trade. Let me check the Telegram channel if I drop any other trade. Okay, I think these are all the trades for this week. These are all our trades for this week. So do well to join our Telegram channel. You can see how we drop trades, and the trades are doing very, very well. You can see I dropped this volatility 75 for them, and you can see how massive the profit is. Look, this was the before. Let's check for the before. This was the before. No, I'm sorry. This was not the before trade. Okay, the before trade was posted on our TikTok page. If you are also not following our TikTok page, do well to follow our TikTok page. So I posted the link for them. Here is the link to check the trade. This was when I posted the trade. Then I asked them if they're in the trade already. Are you in this V75 trade? So I asked them to take the trade. Then this was the trade letter, and the trade gave us a very good return. All right. So this was GBP JPY also, which I posted on TikTok, and I asked them to go take the trade there. So do well to follow our Telegram channel, because that's where we update most of our. This is analysis on gold. I dropped last week. You can see. So we dropped analysis on gold here. You can see how we do our things here. We give you the resistance and the support. We tell you where we're expecting the market to to go, and we give you updates on what is happening in the market. Okay, so you can see these are all our trades, and all our trades work out. This was gold and BTC last week. I dropped for there and it played out also. You see, this was our buy zone, and stated that this market will come to this zone for a buy, which you can see on the previous chart I showed you. It's went to buy and it hit all our targets. This was the before screenshot I sent today, that we're anticipating that we're going to buy BTC around this zone. Then show you the after. Maybe you understand what I'm saying. This was the before. Let me scroll down to the after. You can see our trade takes days sometimes. This was when the trade started moving. You can see how it tapped into our buy zone. You can see this shoots, right? This was the shoot. But you have to be patient on trades like this. You have to be very patient on trades like this, because there are high quality trades and almost like a swing trades. So swing trades don't take within few minutes or seconds. It's not like scalping, right? There are trades that takes longer time. Sometimes they take hours, sometimes they take days, sometimes they even take weeks. But mostly our swing trade don't take like months. You get if sometimes we do drop trade that take months, but mostly our trades hits target within weeks, within 1 week or so, which is the best. You get which is the best. So this was when the trade peaked, and this was when we finally hit our final target. Let me go and look for the screenshots. We will finally hit our final target on BTC. This was when we finally hit our target, you see. So you see, it tapped into our buy zone. It didn't go into our invalidation area. So it tapped into our buy zone. We take the buy, and you can see what happened. And it got to our final target. So this is how we trade here. So you need to follow our Telegram channel for you to be able to get all these updates, because on YouTube here I don't really post analysis or trades idea. It takes sometimes it can take me up to 2 months, 3 months, or 4 months without posting trade analysis on YouTube. So, but on our Telegram channel we do post it every day. So I'll drop the link in the description of this video for you to join. And be careful of scammers. We request for money. We do not request for money from you. Okay, all this trade here you can see are given free of charge on this particular channel. Okay, we only give the VIP section for those who request they want to join. We have a special premium package for those who request they want to join that particular one. We have that one where we give you exact entry and exits on each trade. Okay, give you exact entry and exit on each trade. So, and it is also free. The only thing is that there are little rules you need to follow, but it's also free. So once you get to our free channel, you can chat us or on our Telegram channel via AFTechTrade_original to chat with our admin for you to be added to our premium VIP group. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in the next